What's up, people? This is Ruggedman Ruggedy Baba. You know, every Thursday, Wetin Dey With Ruggedman comes up.
Wetin Dey With Ruggedman? Now the radio show for you.
Up on Niger 102.7 from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. But today, it's going to be a special one. First, the beginning. Ruggedman Entertainment in conjunction with the RPM Lounge, Victoria Island. So now it's going to be double. It's going to be double. What am I doing today? First, Sunny Neji is my guest for Niger 102.7 Wetin Dey With Ruggedman. And then, of course, we're going to host him and myself at the RPM Lounge, Victoria Island, Lagos, same day. So let me tell you how this is going to go, yeah? It's going to be happening once in a month. So today, Sunny Neji, we're going to have lunch at BL Restaurant, Victoria Island. Then we're going to go for my radio show, Wetin Dey With Ruggedman. Now then we'll talk Wetin Dey happen, Wetin Dey with everybody. You see, I don't switch to Pidgin because the show not Pidgin show. So when we finish for the radio station, when I don't call in, watch us for TikTok. I am Ruggedman. People watch us live. When we don't finish for the radio station, then we move over to RPM Lounge 147, Eunice Bashon of I just said Adeogun, Victoria Island. Then we will host Sunny Neji and myself for the RPM Lounge. Make we go. How do we miss Sunny Neji now? What's up, people? I told you this one is a Ruggedman double. It's a Ruggedman double. We're here to have lunch. My guest for today is a superstar. You know, he's my friend, my brother. But when I just saw him now, he's doing something that I don't know because he's looking too fresh. He looks like an artist that just got back. You know, so I'm here to have lunch with the one and only, the legendary Sunny Neji.
Yes, I did here. I'm here with Ruggedman. Now, one question I want to ask, Ruggedy. Wetin Dey?
Now you are going to ask Wetin Dey. You too fresh.
You know, something that always dey with Ruggedman.
But you know Wetin Dey right now? Are the hungry man go eat? Yes, sir.
The vibes raw.
We just
Ruggedy.
okay, man, just sit down here for now. And listen. Shama.
Ruggedy.
That might be Jared. Okay. I'll just say welcome to. I never even get name for this.
You dey host me now.
I dey host you.
We dey chop here, abi?
We go to
We do
better
dey chop.
food, be a restaurant.
But this place don't look like where if you see Amala.
Amala. Oh no, let's not. Now Lebanese Amala, if you see, for
Yes,
example, white. They call them masa.
What with that?
I just play. Still like this, okay.
Yes. Thank you.
But we get to want to eat inside. We just want to talk here for now. All right. Thank you.
Okay, maybe we just now
Hey,
here
just
we
place your order.
will place the order, abi? A different menu with this.
It's not for pizza.
Also,
They do proper, as in on the spot. No, I see they do
a la carte.
pizza a la carte. See how for your bag.
Oh, really?
See
You
the
could just pick your.
pick what you want. Then we make them for you there.
Ah,
See now the
That's
shape
right.
now. That's why they do it like this.
like
See.
one of these. True.
But my one only the chicken and corn. Me I like
Chicken and corn.
pizza. Yeah. But no,
Maybe you want chop them.
no, me I want eat food. I want eat food.
Okay.
So you just
What do they have
check
here?
what you want first.
Okay. Yeah. Mary, my waitress. Okay, I've decided on what I want. See, 67. Yep, it has everything I want.
Okay, I'll take number 42. That's the chicken breast and curry sauce. Yeah, served with spaghetti. No, I don't want spaghetti. Can I get rice? Can I get rice instead? Oh. Yes, I like with the bell pepper, spring onions. Yep. Okay, I'm good. Oh, that's all it. The rice. Which one do you have? Jollof rice. I mean, look at my jollof rice. And then which one drink?
Enter Rody, one of the owners of BL Restaurant and RPM Lounge. I introduced him to Sunny Neji. He never wants to be in front of the camera, but I forced him this time. He's an amazing guy.
The vibes raw. The heat's on. Turn it up now. From the streets Streets of Lagos hit a beat, hit hard. This ain't no game, it's simple, man, we coming for the stars. Rugged on the mic, got that fire in my soul. We break the mold, take it high, lose control. Every voice counts, it's your time to shine. Calling and express is the rhythm and the rhyme. Got your crew rocking from the block to the groove. Feel the energy rise, time to show and prove. Wetin Dey With Ruggedman. Now the radio show for you. Wetin Dey With Ruggedman. Now the radio show for you. For Naija 102.7 FM. Calling and freestyle, talk to them. Show your talent, speak your mind. Talk the talk or just chillin' and wine. Yo! Yeah.
To life and everything. We go ahead. Yes, sir.
And my friend Tony Black wanted to give me the invite for her Black Merit Awards, the maiden edition, coming up this 2026. So she met me at BL Restaurant, and of course she also met Sunny Neji. We know each other already. We go way back, and I'm looking forward to receiving my Black Merit Award.
Okay, but tell me, you've been telling me on the phone. Tell me now.
Yes, you're special, you're important, and you've done wonderfully well in your chosen career.
Thank you.
That's why we're celebrating you at the Black Merit Awards.
The Black Merit Awards 2026. Is this the first time?
Yeah, this is the inaugural, ceremony.
Special like that.
Ruggedy, let me say congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You deserve it.
Thank you.
Even more.
Thank you.
It's happening at Muson Center,
Okay.
Shell All,
Okay.
and you're receiving an award as a timeless musician.
Does it come with like a G-Wagon or something?
Don't worry. Wait till that day. So this is your letter and your invitation packet. We have a token of gifts there for you.
I'll do the unboxing by myself. Not the one I'll bring it out now. Somebody you now start sending message. Make me share. No. So see you guys at the
Black
Merit Awards. Thank you very much.
Thank you too. Thank you.
I'm just hosting my Oga Sunny today. He's coming on my radio show,
Wow.
Wetin Dey With Ruggedman on Naija FM. And we're just having lunch here at BL Restaurant. Then we're hosting him same tonight at the RPM Lounge, Old School Thursday.
Am I invited?
Did I invite you here? Are you not here? Yeah, invited, but for real, just
thank
come through.
you.
It's going to be happening once a month.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that would be nice.
Then they said food was ready. The food was on its way, so we had to go inside this section of BL Restaurant. Because right now they're doing some renovations, so we had to eat at this end.
Thank you.
Hey, not true. This lights, Maga. Something with this. Maga, welcome. I want to start another angle. For this hustle. Yeah, we just did. Okay, that's only food is here. The food is here. The food is here. Yeah, look at. So yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
Jumbo.
Is this supposed to be my order?
Oh, you didn't know what you were.
I knew it was jumbo. I didn't know it was this jumbo. This is, this is jumbo. Jumbo.
What's going on?
Yeah, but this looks nice. It looks really very nice. This will be my first time of having this. I don't think I'll be disappointed.
You
see now? Look at how lean this one is. Oh, okay, I told you to order what I ordered.
No, I'm okay with
You're
this.
okay.
See me now, see it.
My goodness. Thank you very much. Looks sumptuous.
Okay, so what do you think of the food?
Man, I know I ordered jumbo, but this one is the jumbo of
jumbo.
I didn't know it was going to be this job. This is jumborous.
Oh boy.
But this is nice. Looks very nice.
Sunny Neji is my first guest, and I'm happy we're doing this in BL Restaurant right now.
I had to Ruggedman earlier. I said Ruggedy Wetin Dey
Now you see, say something the something they just start, The day just starting. And something don't plenty like this. Something jumbo. Wow.
Oh boy.
This is
a treasure.
Real jumbo. Oh my.
There's one.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Let's now tell you the order for any guest so that him and anybody who in the group.
Who is it? So.
Enjoy. You did not suffer on my show. So, this is the Wetin Dey With Ruggedman monthly special. My superstar guest is in the house, Sunny Neji. We're inside a BL restaurant having an amazing meal. From here, we're going to the radio station straight, Niger 102.7. So you guys stream live on my TikTok. And then from there, we're coming back here upstairs, the RPM lounge for Old School Thursday with the super Sunny Neji. Show them, let them know he's here. Let them know he's here. The king is here. The king is here. The king is here. The king is here.
There's a popular saying, don't talk while you eat. I know you're not supposed to talk while you eat, but I must say this. Keep listening to Wetin Dey with Ruggedman.
Come. See, we just finished. We just finished eating now, so we're going to the radio station. You guys, Wetin Dey With Ruggedman is still on.
You guys know what I had, Abby? That jumbo of jumbos.
Jumbo. See you guys at the radio station.
See you guys. All right, so we don't see Wetin Dey the other side now. We won't see Wetin Dey here now. Anytime, any day. How you doing? Welcome. You're welcome, man. Sorry, I didn't take yourself.
So we got to the radio station, Niger 102.7. We radio for my sensational show, Wetin Dey With Ruggedman, and we had fun, obviously. If you want to watch the full video for the interview, go on my YouTube, Official Ruggedman.
Welcome to RPM Lounge, sir.
Thank you.
Y'all ready? Ruggedman, let's go! Yeah. The vibes raw. The heat's on. Turn it up now. From the streets of Lagos, hear the beat hit hard. This ain't no game, it's simple, man, we coming for the stars. Rugged on the mic, got that fire in my soul. We break the mold, take it high, lose control. Every voice counts, it's your time to shine. Calling and express is the rhythm and the rhyme. Got your crew rocking from the block to the groove. Feel the energy rise, time to show and prove. Wetin Dey With Ruggedman. Now the radio show for you. Wetin Dey With Ruggedman. Now the radio show for you. For Niger 102.7 FM. Calling and freestyle, talk to them. Show your talent, speak your mind. Talk the talk or just chillin' and wine.
And of course, the sensational singer, Spessy Kingin, joined us at RPM for Old School Thursday hosting Sunny Neji. And like they say, all good things must come to an end. So this this was the end of the night. We were taking pictures, or should I say Sunny Neji was taking pictures just before he left RPM. It was an amazing day with great food at BL Restaurant and amazing hosting at RPM Lounge, all on 147 Eunice Bashon Street off Ajose Adeogun. It's March. Which OG would you like us to host? Tell us in the comment section. So until next time, on Wetin Dey With Ruggedman, I say peace.